Hello. Yes, I'm uploading again. I got 1.210k tokens to spend today. Today, should we spend it on the space pack, or Wonderland pack, or whatever? Or should we go to the Blizzard pack and open that? I think so as well. Let's open the Blizzard. First, I want to check iBlookit for the chances. Include reselling. How much do we have? 1210. 1210 on the Blizzard, right? Blizzard. First, let's see if we will get a Santa Claus. No, we did not. 1 Santa Claus. 0 Santa Claus. 2 Santa Claus. 0. We might not get it, guys. It's a 60% chance. Might not actually get it. But we did it last time. We got the king with a 50% chance. And let's get it. Let's try to get another 1% with a 60% chance. 3, 2, 1. First up, I'm just going to do spam thingy. So, spam buy blocks. Blizzard. How many boxes do you want to open? Let's see. Close the calculator. $11. What? Or calculator. 1210 divided by 25. 1210 divided by 25.
The answer is 48.4.
So I'm allowed to open 48 packs. Spam buy blocks. Oh wait. Blizzard. How many boxes do you want to open? How much does it say? 24 minutes. Right? What? 48. So, wait a minute. 48, right? 48, okay. Or we might get 2 kings, but we don't want, so let's just open. Oops, forgot to do instant open. First, we get a holiday wreath, stocking, hot chocolate, holiday gift. Oh, snowman already! How many packs has it already been? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packs, and we already got an epic. It's a 5.15%. And we already got it. Hot chocolate. Oh my god. I just got a chroma. 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 Sorry guys, I just had to take a screenshot. Oh my god. I got a chroma. Nah, I just got a chroma. Oh my god. I just got a chroma. Oh my god. I just got a chroma. I just got a chroma. No, but this wasn't in my thingy. This wasn't in my... Oh, that's bad. I could have gotten a little rainbow panda. No. But I just actually got a 0.02% cozy baby penguin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love the blizzard pack. Oh my god. I was not expecting this. No, I have to call my friend right now. Guys, I'm just gonna send my friend this. I can't believe it. No way. Yeah. Yeah, he also got curly hair. I'm calling him. I'm calling. Calling. I'm calling. I'm calling. Calling. Kiko, I have to show you this. I have to show you this.
I saw your videos. Epic.
I got a cozy baby penguin.
On your own?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, we're matching, bruv. We both got a 0.02% now.
What?
We both got 0.02%.
Nice, I guess. I was watching mini blocks here.
Bruh. I actually can't believe it. And plus I'm also recording. I'm literally recording.
I know you're recording.
You're on my YouTube channel. What's up?
Hi,
Yeah, guys, you got curly hair. I can't show you it because yeah. Bro. Yeah, so bye, I guess, Kiko. Yeah. The charge also finished, so I'm gonna come back in a minute. I'm just gonna give it to someone. My mum just called me to do something, so. Guys, he's calling again. No way. Wait, sorry. Yeah. My grandma came yesterday, and she's a little bit cranky, so yeah, she might talk in it, but don't worry, it's just my grandma. Guys, I'm back. Sorry for the wait. This is crazy. I got a chroma. I'm sorry, I have to screenshot this again. I just got a chroma though. I got a chroma. So Prince. Guys, I can't believe my life right now. I got cozy baby penguin while we were trying to get a Santa. What are the odds of that? I mean, what are the odds of that? I can't believe it. I got a cozy baby penguin. No way. I have to do it like this. Yeah, guys, and my mum came. Yeah, and Mum, let me show you this. I got a 0.02% chance on Blocket. Look, I got this cozy baby penguin on Blocket, which is a 0.02% chance.
Wow.
And I got it in only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th pack. I got it on my 7th pack. Yeah, guys, let's open some more packs. Stocking Gingerbread Man. Yes, sir. Snow Globe. No, I still can't believe it. Yeah, guys, my friend also has a thingy, a green gummy bear, and I have a cozy baby penguin. Yes, sir. So we both have we both packed a chroma, which is crazy, bro. Yeah, but right now I'm trying to get a Santa. Not even a literal chroma. I can't believe I got it. No, this is the one. These 5 packs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the one. No, I think I jinxed it, guys. Well, bro, it's just crazy getting a chroma when you're not even trying to get it. Like, people on YouTube get 2 chromas on Ice Monster pack when they're trying to get the Yeti. Makes no sense. Yeah, it literally makes no sense. I literally right now, I could have gotten a literal rainbow panda and still have more tokens than whatever tokens I had when I got it, the cozy baby penguin. It's literal crazy. I don't get it. I literally got a cozy baby penguin. I think I know why, because a few weeks ago I had a dream where I got the cozy baby penguin and didn't even notice. So in the dream I went here, but this was on my, I didn't have an auto count then, but yeah, and I went here going to resell my blocks and score a cozy baby penguin. Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah. Oh my god. Well, I'm trying to get a Santa here. Bro, we didn't even get a holiday elf. It wasn't even a holiday elf. A 0.03. It was the rarest you can get. It could have been a red sweat snowman or something. We have officially 0 packs to go. Yay. But now let's just resell. I never think, guys, that trading's gonna come. Yeah. But look, it might prove me wrong. I might sell huh? Oh, okay. My grandma just told something to my mum. So yeah. Let's continue. Oh, I almost sold 10. 9. I wanted to sell 9. Guys, something's going on. Okay. This is crazy. People need to watch this video. If we don't get a Santa, no, if we don't get a Santa, I don't think we're ever just 330 tokens. No way. Holiday wreath, holiday gift, holiday wreath, snow globe, stocking, holiday gift, snow globe. They could have put more detail into the snow globe. I mean, it looks so boring. Hot chocolate could have put more thingies, detail on the mug, or put more marshmallows, maybe pink marshmallow stuff. But I like the background though. Oh, got it again. Last pack, guys. Last pack. 3, 2, 1. No! We didn't get it. And guys, yeah, let's resell. The only thing, I was just worried about one thing. Oops. I was worried about one thing, guys. On YouTube, you're actually not allowed to, like, record more than 15 minutes. The thing I was worried about is it's been 17 minutes. Let's be quick. Maybe it'll glitch. Maybe I'll do the hack thing. What Google said. I mean, YouTube said themselves. So you can get more than 15 minutes. How much more? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yeah, my mum and my grandma are literally arguing right now. Don't mind them. Just don't mind them. Okay, guys, just don't mind them. But guys, we've got 4 packs token. 4 packs, perfectly 100. 4 packs. For the last 4, I'm going to go bookmark lists, spam by books. The lizard. How many boxes? It's actually packs, but it was boxes at the time. Would you like to show books as unlocking? Okay. Oh my, yes, guys, it said we got a Santa. No, in the last 4 packs. For a second, I thought, wait, the gingerbread man is a thingy or a legendary? But no, it was just all the blocks combined. Guys, we got the legendary and the chroma in one day. Well, I'ma stop it here. Bye.